In this tutorial, we talk about creating files and folders in Bash. Now, creating files and folders is a simple thing in Bash. To create files in Bash, we use the touch command like this. Touch page. Now, this is a file. If you want it to be a txt file, you put .txt. If you want it to be a bash file, you put .sh. If you want to be any type of file, dot and the type of file. But that is not what I want to do. I just want to create a file called page, and I press enter. It creates the file. So when we list it with our ls command, you see the page is already there with the other files I created. Now, to create folders or directories, we use the make directory command. I use it like this: mkdir, that's make directory, mkdir folder 2. I can actually folder 2, and it creates my folder, so that when I press L, it gives me folder 2. And when I want to enter into folder 2, I can actually type folder 2 and I enter into folder 2. There I can create another file, as in touch. I want to create multiple files. Instead of creating 111, I can actually create it all at once, like page 1, page 2. And I've created everything, so that when I type in my ls command, it will show me every single file that I've created. So since we are talking about files and how to create them, also how to list them, we should also talk about how to find them. Let's clear it. Now, there are 3 commands on finding files and directories in Bash. So one of them is the whereis command. And actually I want to look at the manual of whereis. That will show us a more bigger version of what is whereis. Sorry. Whereis is a one word. Whereis. So whereis locates the binary, the source and the manual page files for a command. That is the manual page, the binary and the source files of that command. Source page files for a command. For example, you are locating the binary and the manual files of ls. You can actually do whereis ls, and it brings out two answers. The first part is the binary part, while the second part is the manual file. That is, here is the binary part, and here is where you see the main manual file. So if you redirect to this place or to this place, it gives you the manual file of ls. Another command used to finding files in Bash is the find command. Of course, they should have the find command. The find command. Find command is used to search for a file in a directory, in a situation whereby you have a lot of that same file in that directory, but you want to find a particular one. That's where find comes into. And to use the find command is actually pretty simple. So I will have to navigate to a place where I can actually find a lot of files. Let's say I will go to. So I navigated to the etc command in my root. So to go to this, let me list the files in etc. You see they have the .conf, the .allow, the .deny, and just a few dots I can see here. So let's say I want to locate .conf, pam.conf, and I know it starts with .conf, so I want to find pam.conf in this long hierarchy here. So how do I use the find command? Okay, let's read the manual page of file first. Man find, search for files in a directory hierarchy. So to use the find command, we use find full stop for the present working directory. If you want to find for another file inside that is not inside your present working directory, that's you now have to check for the path. Let me say you want to find 5 in desktop, you can actually change the path to home, should be desktop, something like that. But since I'm finding for it in my present working directory, which is /etc, I will use the full stop, then the name. Now write what we are looking for. So *conf, and it lists all the .conf for you. The next command used in finding files in bash is the wish command. Now the wish command returns back only the binary files. It won't return the source files or the manual page. That's the difference between the wish command and the whereis command. The wish command only returns the binary file, while the whereis command returns the binary, the source, and the manual file. So to try the wish command, we use the wish, and our normal code, I will try pwd now. It shows us is in user bin pwd, and that is the binary file of pwd, present working directory. So I hope that there isn't any confusion in this my bash scripting lessons. Please, if there is, tell me in the comment section how I can make my videos more better for you. Am I talking fast or are my videos not good? Just tell me in the comment section. I would like to hear it. Thank you.